Hi everyone, it's Cars Guide Do It Yourself. Today we have a quick job in this Corsa. We'll show you how to diagnose and replace a damaged glow plug. Curious how to do it? Stay with us to find out. This is the brand new glow plug that fits this wonderful 1.3 diesel Vauxhall Corsa. This bad boy has 4 of these plugs right in here. Before we start to remove the glow plugs, the engine should be warm. Not cold, not hot, but warm. This is very important. To get to them, we just need to take off the top cover of the engine. Gently lift it upwards, and then detach the clips from the cooling pipe. And here they are. Each of them has a wire through which the voltage is applied. To figure out which plug is damaged, all we have to do is use a normal multimeter with a circuit test function. The plug's circuit between its connector at the tip and the ground should be continuous. If we hear a sound from the meter and the value is close to 0, it means the circuit is complete. We take off the wire from the plug, use one of the meter probes to constantly touch the engine ground, while the second we use on the tip of every plug. This one's good, so is this one. Aha! This one doesn't make a sound, and the value on the meter is quite high, so it looks like the glow plug is damaged, and the last one is also good. Before you start to unscrew the plug, make sure to blow out and clear any dust or dirt you can find around the plug, so that nothing falls inside as you unscrew it. Add a little rust remover, and you're done. We'll be using a can of compressed air. It should be enough. We're using a long 8mm socket, and begin to unscrew. It's coming out quite well. And the plug is out. Before you install a new one, it's worth comparing both glow plugs to see if they are the same length, have the same diameter, and have the same thread. We always put some injector anti-seize grease on the thread, and we screw it in. Make sure to tighten them with the right torque, and it's ready. Let's put the wire caps back on until we hear a click. Awesome. The engine cover, the cooling pipe, and it's ready. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Job's done. Thanks for watching.